Hi everyone, I want to show you my Aquaquest 7x10 tarp that I set up freestanding with some guy lines going in different directions. Reason why I set it up this way, in case you cannot put a ridge line between two trees or some other objects, and also because we were having some mixed weather yesterday and last night, and I wanted to see how it held up. So this morning it was still standing, it didn't even move. So this end is shorter with a shorter pole and allows for some ventilation. Now the sides, you can just kick the snow off if it was sagging a little bit, but other than that, it kept the elements out. And at this end is a higher pole to make a door system. So there's a stake here, and then a stake on the other flap that I wrapped around the pole to make it tight. So last night I went in here for a little bit to see. The wind was blowing, the snow was flying, it was raining at the same time. Kept it dry. So this would be a one-person setup with some gear here. It would definitely be perfect to put in a backpack, this tarp, if you don't want to carry a tent or something. It would definitely be lightweight. But this is the setup I wanted to try in case I didn't have a ridge line. And so, as you can see, the next day, it's still standing. So I hope you enjoy this little video of a freestanding tarp from Aquaquest 7x10. Have a nice day.